So we spotted a Burger King, that's where we're going.
We are?
Spanish Burger King in Ibiza.
España.
We love a Burger King, don't we, Boo?
McDonald's right there.
There we go, McDonald's right there.
You were
I knew your maps will take us the opposite way.
Well, my maps are a bit dodgy, aren't they?
No, we found something better. Ah, gracias. So, here we go. Burger King. Yeah. Woo!
English.
Oh yes.
Mine in.
Mine in. Scan your Burger King. I've got one of them.
Have you?
I've got the app, yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Ah.
Leave it.
Right, what do we fancy?
That looks good.
Limited time offer. Spider-Verse triple burger combo.
Spider-Verse triple burger combo.
That is
Okay.
massive.
One of them. Cheesy Doritos, 2 patties, large combo.
Okay.
And the pink burger.
That is weird.
What's that? Lovely.
And my onion rings. They're nuggets. Got some nuggets. Yeah?
Because this is... Have we been down here? Blah.
Yeah, we've been here.
Have we been here?
And it's just in the heat. See, that's the kind of place I like to eat when we're away. That little tapas bar there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know, proper tapas. Oh. Oh la la. Well, maybe up here? Whew. Wow. What is...
Bloody beautiful down there.
There, isn't it? Bloody lovely.
So this is the fountain of Kevin and Perry, where Kevin sits down after having an argument and falling out with Perry. He's stroking the dog. So yeah, this is the water fountain. I'll put a picture on the video so you can see where it is. But yeah, that's it.
Okay.
In fact, I think the shot's from that angle. Oh yeah, do you want to recreate it?
No, I don't know.
Just sit there.
Sit here.
Yeah. Well, that's like the shot right there.
Right here.
Yeah, and then stroke the dog. No, it's your other arm.
Imaginary dog.
Yeah, so that's it. From Kevin and Perry Go Lodge.
These are really slippy.
Yeah, I've got to warm my trainers today.
Don't bother me. Do you know what? These hills aren't even bothering me. Look at the amount of hills we're walking on.
I know.
My legs are like steel now. Well, there's all your information here. Don Felipe 2.
That's the information board. If I'm wondering where we are. The gate known as Porta de Mar or Porta de Ses Tulas is the main entry point into... I'm out of breath walking up that hill. Anyway, you can read it. We're gonna go in. Beautiful.
It smells a bit funky.
Aye, smells of the 19th, 18th, 17th century.
Oh, what's it? His little dog. Oh my god, look at this. Cute.
Because the sun's on him.
Yeah.
Ibiza. This is where all the locals must come. Do you want to go up here? Then? Oh, smell that food. Smells lovely. That's proper food. Oh, it's cool here, isn't it? What's this? I make puzzles with your name. Oh, you get a good view up here.
Yes, you do.
I'm hoping the camera picks all this up pretty nice, like we've seen it.
That's for the medieval bit we've just been through.
Yeah. I think we can go around here, you know.
Yeah, look. It's just beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stunning. Takes an hour to get back, doesn't it, on the ferry?
Yeah.
Don't know how we're getting back down there though.
Don't worry about it, it's got to be only one way, look.
Yeah.
Is that a Hard Rock Cafe? It is, isn't it? Yeah. So this is the centre of Ibiza town, old town.
Town? Ibiza town?
Don't know what they're doing, but they're filming as well. Fish.
Oh, it's like an election thing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Spanish election?
Yeah.
Maybe that's what these flags are for then.
No, this is medieval. This is
Oh,
like,
is it?
yeah, this is it.
¿Alguien me puede ayudar, por favor?
Oh shit.
Por favor, me puede ayudar.
Ah, no, no, man. Ada.
Le pedí por favor, alguien.
Yeah.
Por favor, ¿alguien me puede ayudar? Estoy en la calle, joder.
I ain't got a clue what you're going on about. So that's the,
She's human.
that's a,
She's kicking off. Cursing us.
Vera de Rey. Scrap that, it's Vara de Rey.
Bloody Vera.
She's kicking off with me down there still. She's kicking off with everybody because they're not giving any change.
She's taking her shoes off and everything in protest. She's fuming. How can you be fuming? living here. You couldn't get fuming, could you? If you tried?
No. That's it.
He's living.
Oh look, free balloon.
Next palomitas. Gracias.
Sí. Sí, sí.
Sí, sí, no ever. What a beautiful place to film.
Beautiful everywhere. Life's just different here, isn't it?
Yeah. Nudie, nudie. Huh? Nudie, nudie?
Look at this. Can I put this in the bag, please?
Wow, that's what the bag's for. Junk. You have to chase me for it though.
No, I am not chasing you.
Chase me for the bag.
Not happening. Wait, we're gonna get the bag.
Oh yeah? Good spot, babe.
I feel like I'm your eyes. I'm turning to you. What's going on?
Having fun down there, yeah.
It's beautiful.
When your hotel,
My
Ibiza,
hotel
Ibiza
The
tower.
towel. Sailboat.
We're back into Cala on the way back. Steal this time. So there's a